Conclusion. Everybody these days is looking for a foolproof diet, the best way to lose weight and keep it off. A fast, easy solution to the problems that have begun to plague us because we have gotten comfortable living in an unhealthy lifestyle for far too long. But what most fail to consider is the fact that it is in our own minds and our habits that truly create the biggest boon. We rely on other people to try to help us dig ourselves out of a pit that only we have the tools to get out of. You are in control of your life. You will be the one responsible for making the choices that need to be made to change your lifestyle, and you are more than strong enough to do it. Start out small. Take baby steps. Break your goals down into pieces that are manageable, and then begin to pursue your goals with confidence. Even if you relapse, even if you fall down, you have to have the courage and the confidence to get back up. It is up to you whether or not you succeed, and a foolproof diet is only going to be foolproof if you make it work for you and not the other way around. What many people don't seem to understand is that you are important. You are valuable. We punish ourselves and make bad choices because we don't always value ourselves and lack the self-love and discipline necessary in creating the life of our choosing. But all of that can end today, starting now. If you were willing to take an honest look at yourself and how you got to where you are now, you will have the resources at your disposal to make the changes you need made. Rather than complicating your life with more and more and more fad diets and trends, what would really make a difference is in simplifying things. Make simple food choices. Eat foods that are nourishing, healthy, and low in fat and sugar. Don't eat things that you already know are not good for you. It sounds simple, but unless you've addressed all the underlying issues that are causing you to have an issue with healthy eating, these simple rules of thumb will be harder and harder to abide by. The foolproof diet begins and ends with you. All the diet books and advice in the world could tell you what to do, but at the end of the day, it is up to you and what you apply to your life. Following the guidelines that are present in the Foolproof Diet book will provide you with the tools you need in order to succeed and begin to live the life that you deserve, starting now.